Hello viewers, today I was telling about how to fix COD Modern Warfare 3 Mw3 attachments not unlocking showing up. Here is detailed guide on how to fix a COD Modern Warfare 3 WW3 attachments not unlocking showing up. Relaunch your Modern Warfare WW3. Sometimes the issue of attachments not unlocking showing up can simply be due to a temporary glitch or bug. To relaunch the game, exit the game completely, restart the game by relaunching it. Again, check your see if the attachments are now unlocked visible. Check your progress. It's possible that the attachments are not unlocking because you have not made enough progress that particular weapon. To do this, navigate to the weapon in question in the WMZ multiplayer menu. Check your progress on your weapon to see if you are meet the requirements to unlock the attachments. Filter your loadouts. Filtering your loadouts is important because it ensures that all weapon types or attachments are visible, preventing unlocking attachments begin hidden to filters begin applied. Here's how to do it. Navigate to the MW3 multiplayer menu, click on the weapons tab, click on custom loadout and try removing the hijacked IFF stroke here. Per the hijacked IF stroke per has been known to cause the issues with attachments not showing up by unequipping the perk. You can help to resolve the issue. Navigate to the MW multiplayer menu, select the class that has hijacked FF stroke perk equipped. Clear your cache. Clearing your cache can help to resolve the issues. MW attachments unlocking showing up. This is because the game's cache can become corrupted, outdated, causing the issues with the game data scanning properly to clear the cache. Existing W3 completely verify your game's files can help any corrupted missing files that may be caching the attachments not to unlock show up. To verify the games, exit the MW3 completely and go to MW3 game data folder on your console or your PC. Find out an option to verify the game's files. Reinstall Modern Warfare. If all fixes have failed, reinstall them. Maybe necessary to resolve the issues. Because of doing so, be sure to back up any important data such as saved games or settings. To reinstall Modern Warfare 3, follow these steps. Uninstall the MW3 from your console or PC. Restart your console or PC. Check for updates. Make sure your game is up to date with the latest patches and updates. Sometimes bugs like can be fixed with a sample or simple update. To check for updates, you can go to game's official website or check your game's platform update section. Contact your support team of Modern Warfare MW3. If none of the above solutions was considered, contacting the Modern Warfare MW3 support for further assistance. They may be able to provide additional troubleshooting steps to escalate the issue to the development team for a fix. And thanks for watching us.